First, we have to reach Balashore or Baleshwar station in Odisha. Similipal is nearly 74 km from Balashore with 1 hour 30 minutes ride by car. The nearby airports are Jamshedpur, Bhubaneswar and Kolkata. By road, Similipal can be reached by state transport buses from the nearest towns of Bahrehpani, which is the nearest city to Similipal, nearly 21 km away. Similipal has two entry and exit gates. The Pithabata gate, which is nearest to the station Balasore, nearly 100 km away via Bahrehpani city, and another is Jashipur. A nearest railway station is Badampahar. This region has rich flora, fauna and scenic attractions. Exit should be made from where we make entry, but still, if there is any problem, we can enter through one gate and exit through another gate. Before entering Pithabata gate, we should visit the Sitakund waterfall, which is outside the premises. There is a separate video for the waterfalls of Similipal. In this video, we explore the scenic beauty of Similipal by jungle safari. There are different eco-resorts in Similipal where we can make night halts. And there are 3 checkpoint gates as we move deeper in the jungle. Entry permits should be made at the Pithabata gate with some valid documents and photos. Located in Mayurbhanj, northern Odisha, Similipal is a national park and tiger reserve, covering an area of nearly 2,750 square kilometer, with the core area being 1,195 square kilometer. It is named after the red silk cotton simul tree, which are abundant in this region. It is amongst the first 9 designated tiger reserves established in 1973. It hosts the Royal Bengal tiger. It is a part of Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve, which includes 3 protected areas. Number 1, Similipal Tiger Reserve. Number 2, Hadgar Wildlife Sanctuary. Number 3, Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary. It is divided into 2 zones. The southern zone, which mainly consists of highlands and is a core area, and another is northern zone with gradual sloping mountains with picturesque tourist spots. The ecotourism is conducted here in the buffer zone. The places to visit are lots of waterfalls like Sitakund, Zoranda, Bahrehpani, Uski, and the core region starts from Chahala, with Lulung area serving as a great picnic spot. The major activities here are nature camps, guided treks, wildlife photography, bird watching, forest videography, and the most important, jungle safari. Night halting can be done in the nature camps. There are 5 nature camps, the most popular being at Bahrehpani. Then others are Jamuani, Kumari, Gurguria, Ramtirtha. Staying amidst the lap of nature in solace with wild calls piercing through the silence of the forest, these camps, crisscrossing the dense forest, offers a lifetime experience to the visitors. These are government established eco resorts also there. They can be booked online through the ecotourodisha.com website. Jungle safari can be conducted by pre-booked cab service with pick and drop facility to the nearby cities like Bahrehpani, Balasore or Chadipur, etc. Safari vehicle also is provided by the Park Communities Administration. Staying in the eco resorts and nature camps and safari vehicles can be booked online also. The visitors entry pass and vehicle entry pass can now be booked online. The rules are only LMV vehicles with ground clearance of 180 mm or above are allowed, like Bolero, Sumo, etc. HMB vehicles with 2 and 3 wheelers are not allowed. Raw and cooked meat are not allowed. Smoking, consumption of alcohol not allowed within the premises. Plastic water bottles are not allowed because they can be disposed here and there by the visitors. For private safari vehicles with visitors not halting inside the park, the entry time is 6 to 9 am and the exit time is before 6 pm. The new rule is within 4:30 pm we have to exit the gate. The main waterfalls are Zoranda, Bahrehpani, Uski and Sitakund. The wildlife reserve consists of mainly 42 species mammals, 242 species of birds and 30 species of reptiles recorded so far. It has a huge tiger reserve, mainly the Royal Bengal type, with rare traces of melanistic or black tiger which is recently found. Some leopards and Asian elephant reserve, deers, wild boar, monkeys, peacocks and jungle cats, etc. can be found. So Similipal is a place where nature binds us with its awesome serene beauty, grace and calmness, formed by the biosphere of forest greenery, hilly terrain with majestic waterfalls and vivid flora and fauna that leaves a visitor spellbound. The forest vegetation consists of more than 1,000 species. Consists of moist deciduous forests with mainly sal trees, mango, lychee and eucalyptus trees. Grasslands serve as grazing grounds for herbivores like the deers. Many medicinal and aromatic plants are also found. Others are wild shrubs bearing wild flowers. Shimul flowers decorate the forest and 96 species of orchids are also found. It is Chahala, the restricted core area. Dense trees are found here in the core area. The core area entry is prohibited to safeguard the endangered animals and to conserve the native biodiversity from poaching and disturbance pressure of tourism, and to perform scientific research and monitoring of animals. So basically, ecotourism is concentrated up to the buffer region which is adjoining to this core. The actual core region is the southern zone of Similipal National Park, but it is a highland and fully restricted. Here, Chahala is in the northern side from where the core starts, and tourism is concentrated in the buffer region adjoining it. Here we can see a grassland where deers come and graze on the grasses, and the salt sprinkled by the forest rangers so that visitors can have a glimpse of this memorable moment. As these deers are at a far away distance and the contrast is very low, for that reason, for videography and photography, we need a telescopic lens. The view of tiger and elephants is very rare and is a matter of luck because we are inside the jungle, the habitat of the animals. Relocation of core villages. Many tribal villages can be found in the transit. They were relocated from the core region to avoid disturbance to the wildlife as per the guidelines provided by National Tiger Conservation Authority and National Park rules. Tribal people do agriculture for living, wood cutting, etc. We can see a peacock crossing the road. They are mostly found in the late afternoons when they come in search of food, and the temperature is also low. We can see it is not affected by the presence of humans in its vicinity. But just if we want to catch a picture or photo, it flaps the wings. That means it is ready to escape, but has the guts to stay and find its food. It enjoys its picture being captured, so it's as a pride of its beauty also. Summers are cooler than the city region and nearly 40 degrees Celsius, and winters are 14 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is moderate to heavy. All in all, Similipal offers a wholesome package for nature enthusiasts.